Today, I'll start with showing you my little gadget right here. Woo! So we'll see how this one works, okay? All right. I'll put the hair right in. Depending on which side, if I want it to curl like this, there's a button that I press it over on the left hand side. Ooh. So it curls. Yes. It's a little bit ragged. So if I want it to go the other way, there is a button on it to go the other way. So I'll show you guys. So this button curls it under, and this button curls it in a spiral curled. It has a tendency to shut off. Why? When it gets too hot. So here we go again. So I hook it right there, so. You know a lady with a lot of gadget? That's me. Woo! So we're getting nice little curls. And here it comes again. I have the one. Yeah, I have the one. I'm not going to plug this in because I don't want it to curl up like that. So here, this is Mrs. One right here, so. And next, I'll show you some gadget in the meantime. I have some at home. Back in the days, this called pressing comb. So, all for those who with natural hair, this is a testimony. Your mother used this whoop, in your ear. With me now, this is a brush. I use it to brush out my ear. Yeah, the electric brush. I also have another one. This is also a one. I'll show you how this one works. See it? It has a clip right here. So you clip the ear in it like this, and you twine it like that how you want it. Or if you want it, it can always go the opposite way. And here, flat iron. Yeah. When I cut my hair short and I need a short hairstyle, this is another gadget. I also have a blow dryer which is under the sink right now. And I have a mini blow dryer, like if I'm going out on a trip, I have that mini blow dryer. And I also have my little brush here that I used to brush out my ear. Woo. See? One thing with me, I try to have a little thing for myself. Yeah. So I can brush out the wig them and style them as I have a mind and as I like. Yeah. Hello, 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 hello. This is me. Yeah. When I'm ready, I gotta do my makeup, show you one of these days. Meanwhile, I'm doing my makeup, I'm gonna chat with you guys. Ladies, learn to do every little things by yourself. This is the moral of the story. Because if you don't want to be a bother to anybody. That's some setting mist. Yeah, to make my face a little bit cool. So That's the story right there. So in between time, gonna put a little mousse in the ear. Yes. Yeah, put a little mousse. Make it nice and lookable. These are some of the things. Self-care is very important. Ladies, please take good care of yourself. Because if you don't take good care of yourself, no one is going to do the job for you, okay? So please, self-care es importante. Self-care. It's important for self-care. Okay? You see my t-shirt? Wealth Master. Yeah, I get it at my convention the other day. So I'm in to make money. And I'm not just only that. I'm here to help families. Yeah? To have a great financial future. Not only for themselves, but also for their children. Children who's going to college. Don't be in the same situation that I was in. Stressing where to get money to send my child to college. So nice. Buy this in Marshall, it's very cheap. Yes, that's the story. Look how many people didn't work. Make my house all the night people didn't work. I'm going to Las Vegas in July. And I can sponsor one person to Las Vegas. But you gotta get your license. Other sponsors are there. They just want you to get license. Then they can take you on the trip. Look here, don't worry about the Airbnb to pay for. That is a gift. Food is also a gift. Some real Jamaican food. All you have to do, come and get license. License costs $125. You want to be on the world stage? Just come and get your license. Yeah, man. Get license. Right, that's the thing there. I'm going to come on again. So, guys, if you're interested, my email is there. gcynthia2951@gmail.com. And I can be reached by Facebook Messenger. Cynthia Melody Gordon. Thank you so much. I'm out.